another egg. Opening it up. What's in it?
More jelly beans.
More jelly beans. You found another and another.
They're all the candy.
Is that all the candy? I don't know. There might be even more. Keep
There's
looking.
more.
No, did you drop some jelly beans?
Let's find some more. Oh, there's some more, Annie.
Annie, let's see if we can find any more eggs. Why don't you go see if there's more eggs? Okay, come on.
There's more eggs, Annie. Come on.
Keep looking. Look around the living room.
Wow.
Do you see any more? Yeah! Nice. What color is that one? Orange. What's in there?
More jelly beans.
More jelly beans. All right. Is there any more? Do you see more? Keep looking. Look on the there you go. Yay! What color's that? Yellow.
Her mouth is so full.
What?
Her mouth is so full.
I know. Do you have a lot of candy in your mouth? Yeah. Ooh, is this one hard to open? What's in it? Keep pulling. Wow. Did you get it open? No? Here. Can you open this? I can't do it with one hand. Oh, chocolate.
I see some more.
Annie, can you say Happy Easter?